In this video, I want to talk about how you can blog on Shopify. Now, usually Shopify is made to create stores and stuff, but you can also make blog posts in here. If you want to just make a blog for some reason, you could do it to make affiliate marketing or some sort of products you want to sell. So the way that you can do this is you want to go to your admin dashboard. In here, what you want to do is click on content. Inside of content, you should find one called blog posts, and you just want to create a blog post. Then this will open up, and then you can put a title, put all the content, and then you can make a summary. And you can also optimize the SEO down here if you want to. You can put images, and you can fill out all the info. After you press save, it will now be a blog post. And then what you can do is you can create more of these if you want to, and it's pretty simple, guys. So what you want to do is just go to content, blog post, create it, and save it. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.